10 words a day for beginners. 2. 2. I have 2 dogs. There are 2 apples on the table. More. More. Do you want more food? I want to know more about it. Write. Write. I write my name on the wall. Please write your name and address. Go. Go. They go to the beach every week. I go to school by bus. See. See. Turn the light on so I can see. I see him every day. Number. Number. She is good with numbers. What is our flight number? No. No. There is no butter left. No smoking here, please. Way. Way. Does he know the way to the restaurant? By the way, my name is Joe. Could. Could. Could you help me with my homework? I could run fast when I was young. People. People. There are 5 people in the classroom. I met many people at the party.